Now, with regard to the another new phenomena in the modern public administration, switching over to the postmodern public administration. Now, we need to know the difference between the paradigm shift from the modern to postmodern. Now, modern is associated with the Weberian bureaucratic system. The Weberian bureaucratic system characterized by the two phenomena. One is hierarchy, that is grading of structures, which the large organizations are built. Now, without the large organization, that is nothing as big as public administrative structures like Indian administration cannot be built. As long as you have the big organization, we need the fundamental concepts of Weberian concepts of hierarchy and rules to be pursued. Now, that is a modern bureaucratic system going with the hierarchy and rules, it is able to deliver certain things. But now, from the government system, that is a monocratic bureaucratic system, we are switching over to the new phenomena after the 1970s, especially advent of ICT technology, information communication technology, and having a consequent on the economic system, process of globalization, or in the public administration we call it as a public choice theory. And what kind of a public administration is, we are not having a public administrative system, but we call it as a public management system. Now, in the age of governance driven by ICT and globalization process, now how the modern bureaucratic system has changed into it is new phenomena. For example, from government to governance, it means from hierarchy to de-emphasis of hierarchy. It means that not adhering to superior subordinate relationship, but giving due regard for structure, but not emphasizing on superior subordinate relationship. The second phenomena is that is emphasized on means or rules in the modern bureaucratic system. Here you are emphasizing on the outcome, it is goal or the final product, that is end, emphasizing on end. So, switching over from means to end. Third phenomena is, it is about the single bureaucratic system delivering all the public services to the government or to the citizenry by the government. But in the new scenario of governance, it is multiple players, that is privatization, and even at times the public-private partnership will happen, or public citizenry, that is civil society partnership will happen. Now, this is the switchover from government to governance, or we say from modern bureaucratic Weberian system to the postmodern age of governance.